Alright guys, today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Tesla Model Y, one of the most talked about EVs in the US right now. This one here costs around $44,000, which is pretty insane when you realize that's close to the price of a Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. But here's the question, is it worth it? Stick with me, I'm going to walk you around the car, show you the exterior, the interior, all the little details, plus take it for a drive so you can see exactly what makes this SUV so special. Exterior walk around. Let's start with the outside. From the front, the Tesla Model Y looks super clean, no big grille, because hey, it's electric, it doesn't need one. I love the sleek LED headlights, sharp, modern, and they give the car a premium feel. Moving to the side, you'll notice the smooth body lines, those aerodynamic flush door handles that pop out when you touch them, and of course, the massive glass roof that runs all the way back. It's one of the things that makes this car stand out from traditional SUVs. The wheels on this one are the upgraded 20-inch induction wheels. They look aggressive, though if you go with the standard 19-inch wheels, you'll get a little more efficiency. And around back, you've got that sporty coupe-like slope, clean tail light design, and of course, the Tesla badge right in the middle. Honestly, it looks more futuristic than anything else on the road in this price range. Interior tour. Alright, let's hop inside. First impression, it's minimal. You've got this huge 15-inch touchscreen in the center, and that's basically the brain of the car. No clutter, no buttons everywhere. It feels like stepping into the future. The seats are vegan leather, super comfortable, and they're heated. You've got great visibility up front, and because of the glass roof, the cabin feels way more open than other SUVs in its class. Storage? Surprisingly good. You've got a big center console with deep cup holders, a spacious trunk in the back, and even a front trunk, which, honestly, is just fun to show off to friends. And the sound system, guys, Tesla doesn't brag about this enough. It's one of the best audio systems I've ever heard in a car at this price point. Deep bass, crisp highs, it makes road trips or just sitting in traffic way more enjoyable. Technology and features. Now let's get into the tech, because this is where Tesla really sets itself apart. Everything is controlled through this screen: climate, navigation, music, even opening the glove box. At first it feels weird, but after a few days, it's second nature. You've also got Tesla's Autopilot system, which means the car can steer, accelerate, and brake for you in certain conditions. And if you spring for full self-driving, you get even more advanced features like automatic lane changes and city-street navigation. One of my favorite parts? Over-the-air updates. Just like your phone gets software upgrades, so does your Tesla. You literally wake up to new features without going to the dealership. Last month, they added better visualizations for Autopilot, and it actually feels like the car got smarter overnight. Oh, and the Tesla app lets you unlock the car with your phone, preheat or cool the cabin before you get in, and even track charging. I can't tell you how many times I've shown friends that I can start my car from across the parking lot just with my phone. Performance and driving experience. Now let's take it for a drive. The first thing you'll notice, instant acceleration. No lag, no waiting for gears to shift. Just press the pedal and boom, you're gone. The base model Y does 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds, and if you go for the performance model, you're looking at around 3.5 seconds. That's sports car territory in a family SUV. The ride is smooth, the steering is precise, and it's whisper quiet since there's no engine noise. On the highway, Autopilot makes long drives a lot less tiring. The car literally keeps itself centered in the lane and maintains distance from the car ahead. And let's not forget efficiency. You're getting about 310 miles of range on a full charge, which is more than enough for daily driving and even road trips. Plus, Tesla's supercharger network is massive in the US. So finding a charger isn't an issue. Plug it in, grab a coffee, and in 20 to 25 minutes, you're good to go. Value and pricing. So let's talk numbers again. This 2025 Tesla Model Y starts at around $44,000 and can go up depending on wheels, paint, and options. But here's the deal: once you factor in lower fueling costs, less maintenance, and potential tax credits depending on your state, the long-term value is way higher than a gas SUV. For comparison, I used to spend about $250 to $300 a month on gas. Now, charging at home costs me about $50 to $60 a month. That's a huge difference over a year. So while yes, the upfront price might be a little higher, I look at it as an investment. You're paying for the tech, the performance, and the savings down the road. So here's my final take: the Tesla Model Y in 2025 is one of the best all-around EVs you can buy right now. It's practical, it's fun to drive, it's packed with tech, and it's actually affordable compared to what